Hey guys, today I have really shocking news. A lot of people say that Banjo Kazooie Nuts and Bolts is bad. Well, I have something to tell you. Banjo Kazooie Nuts and Bolts is not bad. Now before you post your hate comment, I'm going and you ask, you haven't played the original Banjo Kazooie and Tooie. I have played Tooie on my cousin, uncle, I don't know what he is, because he's around 13-ish, and I don't know what he is. So I've played Tooie at his house, and I played Kazooie at my house. So I got saying I just picked up Banjo Kazooie Nuts and Bolts at GameStop. Got it for $12 because I traded this really bad Batman game where I just I think it was something Uslam. Yeah, I think it was Erratic Uslam. I just picked up an Xbox just for a few rareware games and grabbed by the not grabbed by the I did want grabbed by the GUIs though. I am getting grabbed by the GUIs. Sorry about the bad recording. Instead, I don't have a real camera. You know what? Screw it. I'm gonna put my game cube. Disconnect it. I'm not sure if you can see, but I picked up an Xbox just for a few games that I really want. I picked Perfect Dark Zero up, but it doesn't work. I picked up Nuts and Bolts. Here's my Perfect Dark Zero. Where did I put it? Oh yeah. Oh yes, it's right here. It didn't come in a case. Yeah, so I put it in my Nuts and Bolts case. The Nuts and Bolts box is right here. It came with the box and the case. As you can see, it says Banjo Kazooie Nuts and Bolts. Banjo Kazooie Nuts and Bolts. Picked it up for $11. So, now seeing Banjo just makes you want to play Banjo Kazooie, or Tooie, or Banjo Kazooie Grunty's Revenge, or what is it called? Oh, Banjo Pilot. But Banjo Kazooie Nuts and Bolts is not bad. Like, I know it wasn't the platformer game you wanted, but I think that's the main reason why people name it bad. But I really like Nuts and Bolts. For some reason, a lot of people hate it, but I like Nuts and Bolts. My friend, he was persuading me to play Nuts and Bolts. And I said, okay, I'll give it a try once I get an Xbox. I got an Xbox, picked up a copy of Nuts and Bolts and Perfect Dark Zero. Perfect Dark Zero doesn't work because there's a scratch on it. Let me find it. Where did I put that case? I don't really know where I put it. Oh, here. There's a scratch on it. There, scratch. He was persuading me to get Nuts and Bolts if I ever get an Xbox. So, since he was my friend, and his name is Steve, by the way, so huge shout out to him, although he doesn't have a YouTube account. Well, he asked me to get it, and I got it. Well, he didn't ask me to get it, but he said he was starting talking about Banjo Kazooie because changing to a new topic is just just me and my friends think. You know. There's a little bit of platforming in this game, like jump. You can't double jump anymore, which is a huge bummer. But you can do this. Listen to the music. nuts and bolts, and I don't know why. I really like nuts and bolts. If you don't have an Xbox, go get one. Go track one down, a cheap one. For your information, mine costed 120, or it's 130. I don't really remember. It was a few days ago on October 3. But who doesn't like doing this? Where's Grunty? There she is. Wait. There's a really disturbing Easter egg. Look, see? Banjo is bleeding. That's disturbing. So let's get over here, and I'll show you what. Oh, and by the way, if you got the game just because of me persuading you to get it, and look at Banjo's body. I love that how you textured Banjo. The only thing I don't like is that there's no more. There's the circle there. That the circle right here is no longer a circle. It's now a square. But who cares? Banjo looks awesome. And look at Kazooie. She looks like a female now. Well, she is a female, but she looks more like a female, unlike her previous appearances. When I was with my cousin, uncle, whatever he is, um, um, we beat the game. I was the one who beat Grunty, um, because he doesn't know how to beat Grunty. I don't know why, but I beat Grunty, and she said you'll find out in Banjo 3. So I went to my GameStop a few days later, I believe. I know. Oh yeah, I went on eBay and I looked up Banjo 3, but all I could find was Nuts and Bolts and Grunty's Revenge. But I couldn't pick up any of those because someone sold my GBA and I never had an Xbox. And that's the reason I didn't get Nuts and Bolts or Grunty's Revenge for the GBA. So, on to the topic I was talking about, that Banjo-Kazooie Nuts and Bolts is not bad. Who does not like doing this? Put in your car. Got a thing? Put in your car. Put in your car. Ride your car? Fix it. Fix it. Fix it. Got a thing? Put in your car. Let's just put this. Let's shape it. Right here. And now, grab our car. And then take it anywhere you want. Even trash it. No matter how hard it was for you to put in your car. Don't get your car yellow. I don't know what that was. I don't know what. I haven't really been into this game, but I do like it. Get it. If you don't have an Xbox, then find one, a cheap one. Because I saw one at the flea market. It just cost like $100, but I couldn't get it. So I just got one Xbox on 130 a few days later. Now another fun thing you can do is you can put your car right here, get it out, get out of the ocean, or whatever this is, a river, ocean, whatever. Climb up here and explore the gears. Which the gears aren't really big, but I don't really care. Now you can do this. It's fun. There's a little bit of platforming in this game, but that is not what makes Banjo-Kazooie bad. I know, like I said a few minutes ago, I know it's not the platformer game you wanted. It would be the cart racing game. It's not a racer, but it would be the car game you would like if you wanted a car game. But nuts and bolts, I say I'll give it an 8 out of 10. I don't like that. Okay, I'm going to explain the things that I don't like. Okay, let's get over here so I can get the car out of this ocean. Okay, what I don't like is that most of Kazooie's moves are replaced with this. Seriously, Rare? That's what you had to give us? And plus, Kazooie can't do her double jump from the previous game. What did I just do? Okay, whatever. No, don't exit, don't exit, don't exit. Okay, but and another thing is that another Kazooie move was replaced with this. But that's what I like. Now I can trash. Now I can put trash on Mumbo's head. And put boxes on on Wumba's head. And on Bottles, I'll just put boxes on his head. But another thing I don't like is the limit of the world. And this is what I'm saying. Hey, gotta get out! In the previous Banjo games, the world was nearly infinity. There were no borders, and well, there were kind of borders. Not really what I call borders, but there wasn't that much border. I didn't see any borders at the end of the world. Only a little bit of borders, but they don't look like painted holograms, like fake holograms or something. That's what annoys me with Kazooie Nuts and Bolts. Now, like I said, that another bad thing is that the text is nearly unreadable. Like I can't read what this says. Ensure that boats have a nice angled bow and they'll cut through the water more effectively. Oh, that's readable, but the text that people say, like Mumbo's talking, and he just says like something and something. So when I read it, it says like glasses, pineapples, Kazooie is fat, which he was in the beginning. But look, I can prove it. That the text is nearly unreadable. What does that say? Me? What? But what? I didn't go. I didn't go it. Do it. It killed me. Wasn't. It must like beat taken I got merely wealthy. I'm being obsessed. I can't read that. Where I can't read that. Make that bigger. Or else. Another thing I don't like is that the thrill of getting brand new jiggies is whole different. It's completely different. Like, if you see a jiggy, you just grab it with Mumbo's wrench or Mumbo's stick, whatever it is. You can grab anything with Mumbo's wrench or whatever it is. See, I can grab this, and I don't like that because I now can't get musical notes. Very thrilling. And one thing that that I really do like is if you go to bottles, click on pay, it says stop and swap truth. Now my goal is to collect 6,000 musical notes so I can get a stop and swap truth. I really want to know what stop and swap was, but I can just look it up on the internet. But I want to see the truth because a lot of people have different theories, which makes me not believe any stop and swap theory. So I'm going to get it from bottles. Okay, let's see what it's 3. Oops. 3. Useless rug. What? Are you of any use? What? Where's Mrs. Bottles? Mrs. Bottles was moved out. Was mowed? Was mowed down by Grunty in one of her vehicles. Ugh. It said earlier she was safe at home in Spiral Mountain. Ugh. Oh! Another thing that I hate is that we can't talk very well. And another thing I don't like is that you can stand on people's heads. See? You can stand on their shoulders, their heads, or even their hats. But you go through their hats. But I can go on bottles. Sandcastle. Okay, how do we bring my car? This is not like a review, it's just like me explaining about nuts and bolts. How it's not bad. So anyone who I said nuts and bolts was bad, take away everything I said about that. I like nuts and bolts. So now nuts and bolts is good. Because I like it. It's good. No matter how many people say it's terrible, I like it. Thanks for watching. See you later.